Hi everyone, are you looking for a high quality yet affordable VPS to host your trading bot? If yes, then this video is for you. Today, I'll show you how to set up a reliable VPS. Let's get started. Hetzner is my recommended provider because it's cost-effective, reliable, and perfect for both beginners and advanced users. For just €4.59 per month, you can get a powerful VPS that works seamlessly with trading bots. When you click the link in the description, you'll be directed to the Hetzner website. After that, click on Login, then click on Cloud. Click Register Now to create a new account. Enter your email address, choose a password, and re-enter it to confirm. Then, check the box to agree to the terms and privacy policy. Open the email and click the activation link to verify your email address. After verification, you can continue with the registration process. Since there is personal information involved, I will stop at this step for now. After successfully registering your account, click on Login again and select Cloud. As you can see, there is already a project I created before. It contains the bots I currently have running. To create a new project, click on New Project, and then enter the name of the project in this field. After that, click Add Project to proceed. Once the project is created, you'll see it displayed on the dashboard. And now, let's click on it to open the project. To begin, click on Create Resource and choose Servers from the drop-down menu. Here, you need to choose the server's location. For this example, let's select Nuremberg. Select the operating system as Ubuntu 24.04 from the available options to proceed with setting up your server. Here, select x86, Intel/AMD, under the Shared vCPU section for standard CPU architecture. Choose the CX22 plan, which offers 2 vCPUs, 4 GB of RAM, 40 GB of SSD storage, and 20 terabytes of traffic at an affordable price of $3.99 per month. This configuration is sufficient for our purpose. The total cost is $4.59 per month. Click Create and Buy Now to proceed. Now we have successfully created the server. Once your VPS is deployed, you'll receive an email with your login credentials. Next, we'll connect to our VPS using an SSH client. Open Google and search for PuTTY to download the SSH client. Since I have already installed it on my computer, I don't need to install it again. In the host name field, copy your server's IP address and paste it here. In the Save Sessions field, you can give a name to your session, for example, Crypto, to easily identify it later. After entering the name, click Save, and now, to connect to your VPS, simply double-click on the saved session. Type root when prompted for the username. For the password, copy it from your email. To paste it into PuTTY, simply right-click and press Enter. When logging in for the first time, you'll be asked to change the root password. Enter the current password, copied from your email, then type your new password and confirm it by typing it again. Awesome! That's it for this video. You've learned how to set up and connect to your VPS using PuTTY. In the next video, we'll dive into configuring and optimizing your server for your project. Stay tuned.